Hey y'all, it's Amy with the Bargain Mama, and I just wanted to kind of tell you what the video you're about to see is. So that is day one. Unfortunately, our real day one was supposed to be on Sunday, and apparently due to some excuse me, rioting in Miami, our flight was canceled and we were stuck in Houston the first night. So Monday was actually our day one. So the video you are about to see is going to be our room and at the timeshare in Silver Lake in Orlando. And if you don't want to see that, skip ahead to Madaam Tussads Wax Museum, the most amazing place I think I've ever been. If you've ever been to one of those, you will know. If you haven't, you have to go. It is awesome. Like, I loved every second of it. And then after that, you will see where we went to the sugar factory. And that is somewhere that has been on my bucket list for a long time. If you have watched my videos with the milkshakes, this is like an adult alcohol kind of milkshake place. It was amazing how they make the drinks. And then the last part is just something I threw in where my best friend Christy from high school is trying to feed a raccoon, and she accomplished it a little bit. So anyways, I hope you enjoy, and I just want to let you know what you'd be watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, after unfortunately being canceled from our flight yesterday, so today is Monday, we have made it to Orlando. So here is our room. Here are there we go. Yep. And here's our kitchen. Here is the bedroom in our timeshare. Sorry, there, you know. And here is our bathroom, 2 beds. Back to over here. Our dining room. Here's our living room. Here is my getting ready area. So, sorry guys, been a long day. Like I said yesterday, our flight got canceled, so we had to stay the night in Houston. So, was not expected, so I'm a little rough today, but here is the master bedroom and our stuff right here. And here is this. This is our bathroom, and me again, hey! Yeah, so let me just tell you guys. So yesterday was a mess. We had to, while you're looking at me right now, I'm just kidding. So yesterday our flight was canceled. They said due to weather, but somebody said that there was a lot of riots going on in Miami, and so that's why our flight got canceled to Orlando. So we had to book a new flight on a different airline, which I've never been on, which is Spirit. I've heard a lot of bad stuff about Spirit, but guys, it was not bad. Like, the airplane had leather seats, was really nice. The crew was really nice. Like, it was not bad. It was really good. So we flew on Spirit today, but we had to buy new tickets. We had to Uber to a new airport because it didn't fly out of that one. It was a mess. So we were supposed to be in Orlando by 2 o'clock yesterday at, what is today? On Sunday, and today's Monday. So yeah, we're a day late, but we're gonna make up for it. Here is this gorgeous bathtub in our timeshare, which we will be utilizing, and the shower, which I'm sure you guys wanted to see. So I will kind of vlog a little bit today for you guys, and we will see where it goes. We're videoing for my YouTube channel for your story.
Mom put me to work on Friday.
This is why she has the bruise on her elbow.
I was helping her clean Grandma's yard, and we were clearing out the shed and all that kind of stuff. And then we went to her house, and we were taking loads to the dump and loading my truck. Well, you know, Mom, her where you can open up the garage doors and walk out.
Yeah.
And there's like, she's got a mound of dirt that's supposed to be a ramp. Well, that ramp has now gone to this, you know, because the weather and it's all.
And you tripped on it?
And I stepped off the truck. My ankle hit the corner and I fell on my ass. And
oh, Jesus. I don't know if we're allowed to say ass.
Elbow.
Well, at least you didn't say the F word. Thank you. Just in case you wanted to know, that's what happens when we're old, Christy. She's leaving because she doesn't want to hear that we're old. She didn't mean 2 fingers, people. She meant to just give me 1, but we have to give her credit for only giving me the 2 for the YouTube channel, right? And guys, because I was way Yeah, I just now saw it. And because I was way, way behind the day that we left, I was not able to do like a haul of the stuff that I bought for our trip. But I had these specially made. This is the one I had made for my friend Christy because I think it's so cute. So this is her Dallas Cowboys cup. But guys, can we not talk about mine? I had the Golden Girls cup made for mine. And so I could not be any more in love with it. So that we could have just little souvenirs for our trip and carry them around. So I thought they were just really cute. So here is, no, you're fine. Here is the beginning of our drink, guys. Is that not crazy? Like, this is awesome. Cool. Oh wait, is ours gonna do that? Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Yes, are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go. That, look at that! That is awesome. Is there dry ice in there or something? Oh my gosh. That looks awesome. That is cool. Yeah, it's like literally bubbling. That's crazy.